a foe into a friend. Good afternoon, I am Anvisha Naik
And I am Rachna Mahabhadra of LRDV Public School. Well, talking about carbon, an essential yet harmful element. In some cases, it can be proved as a boon, and in some other cases, it is no less than a deadly virus. Let's just try to remember the scenario of 2014. How environment was colorful, how atmosphere was smooth and clean. But now everything has just turned grey. And the reason, obviously pollution, whose main reason is industrial pollution. The main stakeholder of this industrial pollution is our sixth element of the periodic table, the carbon.
Hence, this does call for a judicious and sustainable use of resources. Our project, which is based on the theme of Samriddh and Vikasit Bharat, does not fall behind in achieving the major goals of sustainable development, including the 3rd, 6th, 7th, 11th, 13th, 14th, and 15th Sustainable Development Goals. Now, let us move on to how our project works. This is a miniature level depiction of the entire industrial scenario. I have tried to depict the factory in which we have burned an incense cone, showing how the gases will be emitted inside the factory. Now, with the help of the connectors and the duct pipelines, the gas will move on. I'll switch on the pump or the motor, which will create a driving force to push the air forward to the main filtration chamber. Now, through the duct pipelines, the air will move on to the main filtration chamber. Now, this is where the main work goes on. The filtration chamber, as we can see, consists of layers of breathable material or cotton. And I have added some water to make it moist to enhance the capturing of the pollutants or the carbon particles. Now, why carbon? Due to the weak van der Waals force and the size of carbon, and carbon being a volatile organic compound, organic element, it is easier to filter it out from the gases which are emitted out of the factories. Now, after the carbon particulates, dust, soot and ashes are filtered out through these cotton layers. The air will be passed on to the further pipelines, and after emission of the gases from the emission duct or emission outlet, we can see that the particulates or the dust particles have dropped to a significant number. Now, I'll remove this cotton patch to show how the particles have been filtered out and attached to the cotton which we have attached in the filtration unit. This will help in a sustainable development, sustainable growth of the environment in reducing